You know, in Scotland, the population expressed its will, and all that happened was those people who wanted independence just said, "Okay, let's have another vote." Would that happen in Catalonia? Do you think if you lost on the first round?
Well, but the question is that the situation has changed. I mean, something has happened in the case of the UK and Scotland, something important, which is the Brexit vote as well. In the case of Catalonia, we are very much keen to ask to the people and to respect the people's wish, which means that would the result be, yes, Catalonia should be an independent state, obviously this needs to be respected. If the response is no, as it was the case in Scotland or in the Quebec twice, well, this will have to be respected as well. And that's
But that's the problem, it's a never-ending.
¿Qué coño es esto de la UDEF?